Good morning and welcome to all BSc third year students of Fisheries Science in online lecture series. During last period we have studied the fourth point, that is the distribution channel. In this distribution channel, in which route fish and fish product can be distributed from producer to consumer, or from production point to the consumer's point. That route, that way is nothing but the distribution channel. And in this distribution channel, two types of distribution channel which is to be have studied last period. One is the direct distribution channel from producer to consumer, and second is the indirect distribution channel. Indirect distribution channel, not a producer is to be sold its product, sell its product to consumers, but number of intermediaries, number of middlemen, or the number of middle linkages, these are to be sell the product which is to be purchased from producers, and these intermediaries, these are to be sell these product to the final consumer. That is indirect distribution of fish and fish product channel. In this indirect distribution of fish and fish product, the first is the producer to retailer and retailer to consumer. Second, producer to wholesaler to retailer to consumer. Third, producer to processor to consumer. And fourth is the producer produces, then these product it can be purchased by cooperative society, and this cooperative society, these are to be purchased the goods from the producer, and then these purchased goods, these are to be stored, and after sufficient market value it can be sold in the market to the consumer. Means in these indirect type of distribution channel, here cooperative society is the middleman, and this cooperative society, these are to be eliminated. Those are the wholesalers, those are the retailers, and those are the processor, and these are to be minimize the intermediaries which is to be involved in direct distribution channel. All these points which is to be have discussed during last part. Now in today's part we have discussed the fifth important point of our fish marketing in India, and that fifth point is the marketing functions. When fish and fish product it can be marketed, when fish and fish product it can be sold in the market, which are the marketing functions, these are to be occur. These functions, these are to be seen today. That is marketing functions which we have today in this lecture. Marketing functions. Marketing is a total system of business. Marketing is a total system of business activity, and always ends with the satisfaction of consumer with or without profit level. With or without profit level. There is some correction. With or without profit level means marketing is a total system of business activity, and this activity, these are to be always ends with the satisfaction of consumer, with or without profit. With profit, gain the some money. Without profit, no gaining money. There is no loss. As it is, those price product is to be purchased, same price product is to be sold. That is with or without profit level. But the business is the opposite direction of the marketing. Direction of marketing. Marketing is different and business is to be different. Why? Marketing is to be important. There is a total business activity, these are to be run down, and it is to be totally always give the satisfaction of consumer, but without profit or with profit, without profit or with profit. But in business there is always a profit, no loss. No, as cost which is to be we have purchased the product, same cost is to be not apply when we have sell the product, sell the goods, but it can be earn extra money on these purchase product, and it can be earn some profit, some money. Business is the one of the part of marketing. Business is the one of the part of marketing which always ends with profit level, with or without satisfaction of consumer. What is the business? Business is the one of the part of marketing which always ends with profit level, with or without satisfaction of consumer. In business there is no guarantee. There is no guarantee of satisfaction of consumer. Whether satisfaction these are to be occur, it is good. No satisfaction, there is no chance, there is no way. But in marketing, completely satisfaction of consumers these are to be done, and it is to be with or without profit. But in business, always the profit these are to be done, but there is no satisfaction of consumers. Hence, business and marketing these are the different words, these are the different points. Remember, बिझनेस आणि मार्केटिंगमध्ये दोन फरक. कुठला फरक सांगितला त्यांनी? मार्केटिंगमध्ये आपण ज्यावेळेस मार्केटिंग करतो त्यावेळेस आपण कंझ्युमरचं, ग्राहकाचं समाधान करतो, होईल याची आपण शाश्वती घेतो, त्याची काळजी घेतो. बरे आपल्याला प्रॉफिट भेटलं चालतं, नफा भेटला नाही भेटला तरी चालेल, पण बिझनेसमध्ये, व्यापारामध्ये आपण नफा घेतो, पण आपल्याला कंझ्युमरचं समाधान झालं का नाही झालं का हे आपण पाहत नाही. फक्त आपण तिथं काय पाहतो? आपला प्रॉफिट, आपला नफा काय. हेन्स मार्केटिंग फंक्शन इज डिफाईन्ड ॲज, हेन्स मार्केटिंग फंक्शन इज डिफाईन्ड ॲज an act or services by which original producer and the final consumers are linked together. What is meant by marketing? Marketing function is defined as an act or services. Marketing function is defined as an act or services by which original producer and the final consumers are linked together. Marketing function मध्ये काय होतं? That is producer, original those are to produce, and final consumer which is to be linked together each other. Thus marketing functions consist of all those effort. Marketing functions consist of all those effort and activities necessary to the deliver the goods to the final consumer or final user. What is? Thus marketing functions consist of all those effort and activities necessary to deliver the goods to the final user, final consumer. Marketing functions are classified as following three ways, three types. Marketing functions are to be classified, marketing function these are to be studied by following three types, by following three ways. Which are these three ways? First, functions of exchange. Second, functions of physical supply. And third, facilitating functions. Means marketing functions are classified, marketing functions are to be studied by three ways, by three types, three manners or three steps. One is the functions of exchange, marketing functions of exchange, marketing functions of physical supply, and marketing facilities function or facilitating function. These 3 points these are to be discussed about the marketing function. To discuss detail these 3 points these are to be studied to study the marketing functions, how marketing function these are to be classified, and how this marketing function these are to be performed by these 3 ways: functions of exchange, functions of physical supply, and facilitating function. These 3 ways these are to be important to study to understand the marketing functions. Number first, functions of exchange. What is meant by functions of exchange? Functions of exchange is the first and last function of marketing. Functions of exchange, functions of exchange is the first and last functions of marketing. It consists of buying. Marketing functions exchange, it consists of buying and selling of the product. Marketing functions are the functions of exchange. It is to be studied. It is to be consist of two processes. One is the buying, it is also called as assembling, and second is selling. Buying or assembling, and second is selling of the product. It is called as functions of exchange. This function is directly concerned with change of the ownership. This function is directly concerned with change of the ownership of the goods, and individuals involve the transfer of the title. It consists of buying, assembling and selling of the product. This function is directly concerned with the change of the ownership of the goods and involve the transfer of the title. Means this, that is assembling functions and selling functions, these are to be directly concerned with the change of the ownership of the goods and involve the transfer of the title. In fish marketing, assembling and selling of product plays an important role. One by one we have see that what is meant by buying or assembling, and second we have see that what is meant by selling. First we have studying what is meant by buying or what is meant by assembling. These are to be have study one by one. What is meant by buying and what is meant by assembling, these are to be studied, these are to be seen. First, buying or assembling of the fish and fish product. Buying or assembling of the fish and fish product is done at the landing centers. Buying or assembling of the fish and fish product is done at the landing centers. Buying is the activity of purchasing. And goods are assembled in this activity. Buying is the activity of purchasing and goods are assembled in this activity. Buying means to purchase right goods at right time at right price. What is meant by buy is buying means to purchase right goods at right time at right prices. That activity is called as what is meant by buying? Buying or assembling of the fish and fish product is done at landing centers, and buying is the activity of purchasing and goods are assembled by this activity. Buying means to purchase right goods. Buying means to purchase right product at right time at right price. It is the most important word, most important line. Remember that I quoted it in, that is in a red indication, red line. Yes, what is meant by buying? Buying means the purchase, or buying means the to purchase the right goods, to purchase the right product at right time at right price. योग्य वेळी योग्य प्रॉडक्ट आणि योग्य किमतीला घेणे. योग्य किंमत, right price. Buying means to purchase right goods at right time at right price. It is called as the buying. Fish is landed at many centers in India. The landed fishes are brought directly to the nearest assembling center. And rapidly sold. Primary assembling is done by fisherman, and the final assembling by the merchant or commission agent. Means first assembling, primary assembling is to be done by fisherman to the merchant or to the commission agent, and final assembling is to be done by the merchants or by the commission agent. Means these merchant and commission agent, these are the final assemblers or the final assemblers, whereas fisherman is the primary assemblers. Primary fisherman, these are to be assembling, these are the first primary assemblers. These are to be seen in this marketing system, in this marketing functions. Yes, in riverine fisheries, fishermen assemble their catches. At suitable centers. located on the river bank and sell it to the cooperative societies or in the market. Means in the riverine fisheries or in the lakes, ponds and rivers and tributaries. These fisheries or these fishermen assemble their catches at suitable centers located on the river bank and sell it to the cooperative society or in the market, or sometime maximum time they can sold their product to direct consumers also. That's why this buying is to be important, this is to be most useful. Yes, in riverine fisheries, fishermen assemble their catches at suitable centers located on the river bank and sell it to the cooperative society or in the market. In maximum occasions, maximum times in India, that may be river, that may be tributaries, that may be ponds, that may be lakes. In these places where fishermen can assemble their catches at suitable centers, that may be villages or that may be the small wadis, and these are to be sell their product near to their cooperative society. Occasionally these cooperative society, these are also found in these interior area also. Fishes captured from reservoirs are also sold into the market or to the cooperative society. In larger reservoirs, such cooperative societies, these are to be formed and developed, and all catches these are to be captured from reservoirs that can be purchased by these cooperative society, and these after purchasing these are to be packing, and then these are to be transferred to the metropolitan city, and then the product is to be sold to the wholesalers, processors or the commission agent, and then commission agent it can be sold the fish directly to the consumers, that is in reservoir. Such condition these are to be also occur. In maximum reservoirs, fisheries cooperative society, these are to be actively run and are actively working in the different areas, different reservoirs. The cooperative societies and wholesalers make species wise, size wise sorting of purchased fish catch. These cooperative society and wholesalers, those wholesalers and fisheries cooperative society which is to be perform the function of fish and fish product, these cooperative societies and wholesalers, they can segregate the catch, they can separate the catch species wise as well as size wise, as well as state of condition of fish. Whether the fish is to be healthy, good condition, it is to be different category. Those fishes, these are to be spoiled, just starting to spoilage, the category is to be different. Means fresh fish, larger sized fish, small sized fish, these are to be, and species wise these are to be segregated, and these are to be such segregation these are to be done, and such sorting is to be done by purchased catch by cooperative societies as well as wholesalers, and those in market the demand is to be occur larger species, large lot is to be sold down. Demand is to be for small species, small size fishes is to be sold down. Means those demand these are to be occur that can be first sold out. These sorted fish stock then disposed. These sorted fish stock then dispatched to the distant market by packing it into bamboo baskets or by wooden boxes with suitable ice facilities. Suppose these cooperative societies and wholesaler, they can purchase the fishes on site of reservoirs, on site of lakes or the larger reservoirs. These sorted fish stock is to be dispatched into the distant market by packing it into bamboo basket or by wooden boxes with suitable ice facilities. Ice is to be mixed into the fishes. When ice is to be applied to the fish, fish cannot be spoiled easily, and it can be stay for 24 hours, stay for 36 hours, or sometime constant ice replacing is to be done. It is to be more than 2 to 3 days as it is, and such time is to be done, and in this time they can transport their product from one place to another place and it can be sold in the these ice packed fish to the different market of our India, either by bamboo basket, either by wooden basket. But presently, instead of bamboo basket and wooden basket, that is plastic basket, these are to be available. Plastic cans or cartoons, these are to be available. But today, plastic bags, these are to means today, instead of bamboo baskets or wooden baskets, there is a suitable plastic boxes or the plastic bags, these are to be available, and in this plastic airtight baskets, ice, these are to be kept, and in this ice, fishes, these are to be keeping, preserving, and then these are to be sold to the distant market where the market is to be found, where the market is to be available. All of the above, these are the process of buying of fish and fish product in fish cooperative society as well as in the rivers or the tributaries. Means all these ways, that may be cooperative society, that may be fisherman, or that may be other commission agent, merchant, that can be done these process by buying or by assembling the fish and fish product, and then this assembled fish and fish product is to be sold to the market. With this, we have seen, we have completed the first methods or the first point of functions of exchange, that is buying or assembling. Hope you have understood this buying or assembling, how fishermen can sell their product, sell their fish to the consumers as well as for the wholesalers or retailers. Hope all this is the photos of market. In market, these are the retailers which can be sell the fish in market on open place, and consumers, they can purchase the fish from market, those they want to use as a food. With this first bye method of functions of exchange, that is the assembling or buying, in next part we have see the selling process or selling the fish and fish product. Thank you all of you.